Alright guys, so let's get into an EFB tutorial now with the update that came from Sim Update 2. So the EFB, one problem that there is it's not clickable over here. They have to update that with the next update, but at least we can still use it right over here. So here we have all our different things. The most important one here is flight planner and aircraft, but you know, whatever, you have some settings if you want to set them here, your speed, your distances, just your units here that you can change. I never played with this, medium, large. Okay, no, I can't play with that. Does brightness work? Oh, yeah, it can make it brighter and make it nice and bright. Alright, so let's get into the flight planner page. So as you can see here, we are at OEGN airport, and let's go ahead and set our flight plan here. So we would do like we would do earlier. Here we go. Runway, I'm not sure which runway we're gonna take, but yeah, we'll take runway 15. I think that's the active runway here now. This doesn't really matter, all that stuff here, your airline, but we do want to add a destination airport, so we're going to go to Riyadh International Airport. Alright, let's take about 70 minutes this flight. Runway, we'll see, we're not sure. We're going to keep that. Engines down. Alright, cool. So we set that. We're going to add a arrival here. Or, yeah, let's see what we have. So my arrival that I planned for, I'll put it up on the screen now if I remember. Take a screenshot. I used onlineflightplanner.org, so I planned to come from Tatku. So I'm gonna go look for that arrival, Tatku. Yeah, so we have Tat 1 Alpha 1. So we'll just see. We'll set that, change procedure. So if I go look at my flight plan here, we should have that arrival set up. It doesn't look like it changed anything. So let me see if I change it to Foxtrot. That does anything. Oh yeah, it looks like it's getting set here, but change procedure. Yeah, okay, now we actually have an arrival set, so that's cool. And we could add waypoints in between. So my first waypoint here is Kiram, so we're going to add waypoint, and we'll write Kiram waypoint. There we go. Kiram, can I just do add? Cool, so there's Kiram, and then we have Whiskey Delta Romeo waypoint. So we're going to add another one. Whiskey Delta Romeo. I think it's this, and we're going to add it. There we go. So that's what our flight plan looks like. So we set that up. I do want a cruising altitude a bit lower here, so we're going to choose flight level, let's go 350. That'll make more sense. And that's our flight plan set. So we want to send it to our avionics though. There we go, send. And we're going to send to avionics. I would send it to ATC, but ATC just doesn't work well, so I don't even bother yet. We need an ATC update soon, so we'll just send it to avionics. And then that should get down into my FMC that we are going to go fix later. So I think we're done for just creating the flight plan. Now let's go to the performance page and see performance profile not available, configure manually. So we're taking off from OEGN. This is for the performance page. Runway 15, it's dry. METAR. Manual, can I set it in manually? So I'm gonna go look at the METAR online, METAR OEGN. Alright, so winds are calm, temperature 30 degrees. Yeah, okay, so that's already everything that we need. Flaps are going to be 5. That's good. But unfortunately, I don't know what to do after here, guys. There should be like a calculate button, and I'm not getting anything here for calculate. So, if someone knows, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I set everything up here, and I'm expecting there to be like a calculate button, but there is nothing. Alright, logbook, settings, flight planner. So another cool thing that they added now is all the charts that you could find here. So this is our departure airport, so we can get all the information we need: elevation, airport size, position. We got the weather here, so winds calm, the altimeter, temperature, the runways we need. So it says recommended, but we took runway 15, so all the information on the runway. And I guess frequencies if you need to contact ground, approach, etc. We have our charts here, so we can look at the charts. And finally here it looks like it's transitions and departures. So that's pretty much all you need to know, guys, for the new EFB. If someone does know in the comments how to do the how to calculate your takeoff. I'm missing a button here. There should be a calculate button. I don't know if I'm forgetting something, or it's unfortunate, because it would be cool to get your calculation. But yeah, so that's it for the EFB. We created our flight plan and we press send. So now we sent it to the FMC.